Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Outlook.com secure sign-in and app password management, full guide step-by-step clearly. To authorize Outlook.com secure sign-in, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Outlook.com login page. Enter your email address and click on the Next button. On the password page, enter your password and click Sign In. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon and select View Account from the drop-down. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on Security to open the Security settings. Scroll down to find the More Security Options section. Click on Advanced Security Options to proceed. Here, you may need to verify your identity using a security code. Choose your preferred method of verification and follow the prompts. After verification, you'll see options for secure sign-in and app passwords. To enable two-step verification, toggle the switch to on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-step verification. Once two-step verification is enabled, return to the security settings. Scroll to the App Password section. Click on Create a new app password. A unique password will be generated for you. Take note of this password, as it will be used for your applications. Open the application where you want to use the app password. When prompted, enter your email address and the generated app password. Ensure that you save these passwords in a secure place. If you need to revoke an app password, return to the App Passwords section. Select the app password you wish to remove and click the Remove option. Confirm the removal to ensure your account remains secure. For future login attempts, remember to use the generated app password instead of your main password. This will help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. You have successfully authorized secure sign-in and managed app passwords on Outlook.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.